and gentlemen, the reporters evening hour in New York City, following the snowstorm that hit the city yesterday. Actually, the northeast coast, majority of northeast coast states, New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey, and part of Maryland, Washington D.C. So this is what we have. This is what we got. Snow bustling across the city. This is a city college here. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, and it's all white. All white. It's all white evening. White snow everywhere. And kids are playing in the park. Sliding down on the park. So this is what we have. Okay, this is it. This is trying to recover, still recovering from the snowstorm, and it's been an amazing evening, amazing yesterday. They love it. So it's fun, it's nothing to them. It's a feast every time of this year. So they bought it. This is it. So, gentlemen. The slides right here, kids playing with their parents. It's Saturday evening, and pretty much having fun.
That was just, they're just
having fun down in the park. Alright. So the reporters are covering the park as well. Our kids are everywhere playing and having fun. It's beautiful, beautiful sight. Beautiful. Hey guys, how we doing? All right. All right. Get them to having fun. We're playing the park at the back of New York City College. Open park. Slide of 4. Hey guys, how are you?
hello!
Having fun?
Yes, we are!
That's I can see
New
that.
York, good snow!
That's right, New York. Okay, alright, that's interesting, that's beautiful. This is my reporter here watching and covering this night. Oh, you alright guys? You okay? Huh? You alright? Yeah? Okay, alright. Are you okay, young man? You gotta be really careful when you play, okay? Are you okay? Whoa, That's hard.
Oh, it's pretty hard, man.
Okay, hope you're okay. All right, be careful, guys. You need the ambulance? Be careful. All right. All right, you guys on TV, guys. You okay? Need an ambulance? No? You sure? All right. Want to make sure it's not emergency, right? So how do you find it? This is beautiful. What do you think?
Oh, it's a great hill for New York City.
Wow. This is awesome. It's a beautiful sight. So how long you been out here? How long you been out here?
Oh, just a little while.
Oh, a little while ago, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or an hour?
That.
Yeah? Cool. Man, this is beautiful, guys. We are the police reporters. You know, we try to cover this and put them on YouTube and, you know, show the world. We're having fun here, right? What's your name?
No thanks, man.
Oh, okay, no, okay. All right, that's all right. All right, thanks a lot. Have fun, guys. You gonna go back up there, or you done for the day? You know? That's a good answer. Appreciate it. Okay. You get some rest. Yeah, you know, get some rest, whatever. If you think you are well rested, then you can go back up and have more fun. Absolutely. All right. Human reporter show right here in New York City, back at the city college, covering fun in the city and after the snow. Look at that. That's beautiful. I like that. Look at that. Thank you, sir. Oh, that's beautiful. Did you see that?
Oh no,
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. She's good. That's awesome. Hi, young man. How you doing, sir? Are you okay? You made it. That's beautiful. You made it. How you doing? That was a nice slide. You came down good. How are you? You going back up? You gonna go back up? Yeah? Having fun? All right, guys. Man, this is. I wanna join you guys. I don't have my slide here. Right, man. This is awesome. Oh, that's a balloon. You guys came with all kinds of slides, right? Yeah, you did awesome. That was excellent. Excellent sliding. Or slide rather, right? Yeah. How about you? Where's your slide? You don't have yours?
They're up there.
They're up there. Your kids are up there doing the whole thing.
Yeah.
Then you monitoring them, right?
Yeah, we did yesterday.
Yesterday?
I slid yesterday.
Was it big yesterday? It was like
It was a little wet.
a little way, yeah, okay. And it's still sliding and going good.
Very good.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. No, man, this is awesome. We're gonna show this to the world. That we have. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, guys. That's beautiful. That's pretty.
Where's Taryn? Is she doing it too? No, her
Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he had a good slide. Whoa. This is my highest. How you doing, sir? This is good. I like that. I like those.
Having a good day.
Having fun, right?
Absolutely.
How long you been doing this? How long you been doing this?
On here?
Yeah.
We've taken like 5 runs.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, she's good too. You guys are good. Yeah, that reminds me of some movies I saw about Russians and Americans, you know, in the Alaska. It just reminds me. I don't know if you saw that movie.
A little bit different than
About
Alaska.
Third World War, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was beautiful. How you doing, guys?
Good.
Okay, have fun, guys.
You too.
All right, thanks. Okay. Gentlemen, we're done for the day. Done for the day. We're having fun, and it's gonna be all day from now till tomorrow. All right. It's a beautiful sight. Beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen. Slides up and down the park, the hill. Look at that. Yeah, all right. Continue, that's it. That's cool, right? How you doing? Huh? All right.